So what we do is d by dx of under root 1 minus x to the power 6 plus d by dx of under root 1 minus y to the power 6 is equal to a times d by dx of x cube minus d by dx of y cube. So what we get under root? Derivative under root is 1 by 2 under root of 1 minus x to the power 6 into minus 6 x to the power 5. Similarly, plus 1 by under root of 2 1 minus y to the power 6 into minus 6 y to the power 5 dy by dx, because you are differentiating y with respect to x, a into 3x square minus 3y square dy by dx. Now throughout you remove 3. Throughout we remove 3. So what now is all complete rearrangement. Now what we do is once 3 is removed, we can collect dy by dx. So dy by dx can be written as, if I write this as y to the power 5 minus y square a. This is one part, and other part will be I have taken to that side, so therefore it becomes positive. Minus ay square is a negative quantity. Then come this side will come x to the power 6. Of course, I forgot to write it y to the power 6 under root of 1 minus y to the power 6. Okay, here x to the power 5 by under root of 1 minus x to the power 6 minus ax square. Here the most important point is we have to substitute the value of a as under root of 1 minus x to the power 6 plus under root of 1 minus y to the power 6 by x cube minus y cube. This is the value where we have to substitute. Okay, so let us substitute this value to get the required result. So what we got is dy by dx into y to the power 5 by under root of 1 minus y to the power 6. I'll turn once again to show you y to the power 5 minus y square. What is a value? Under root of 1 minus y to the power 6 plus under root of 1 minus x to the power 6 by x cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube is equal to, let us see this side. This side will be same way, x to the power 5 by under root of 1 minus x to the power 6 minus, you can see, x square into under root of 1 minus y to the power 6 plus under root of 1 minus x to the power 6 divided by x cube minus y cube. Now we take carefully what will happen in, we can take y square common, dy by dx, inside the bracket is y cube, so we get x cube y cube minus y to the power 6 minus, what happens here is y square we've already taken, we get 1 minus y to the power 6 minus under root of 1 minus x to the power 6 under root of 1 minus y to the power 6 whole divided by under root of 1 minus y to the power 6 and x cube minus y cube. Okay, so close the bracket. Similarly, here we get, again we take x square out. So what we get inside the bracket? We get x cube into x cube will give you x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6, x to the power 6 minus x cube y cube minus x cube y cube minus, again what we get is 1 minus x to the power 6 minus under root of 1 minus x to the power 6, 1 minus y to the power 6. Simple taking LCM, that's all. So what we get is under root of 1 minus x to the power 6, x cube minus y cube. Denominator cancels and minus this y to the power 6, y to the power 6 cancel. Both sides numerators are same, x cube y cube minus x cube y cube. Okay, so this is actually what we have taken is on opposite sides. Perfectly we have taken. So x y to the power 6 will be left over, minus x to the power 6, and here minus x to the power 6 will come. Okay, so here it will be x cube y cube minus y to the power 6, and this will be minus 1 minus plus will come. Minus 1 is there, here also minus 1 is there. Okay, here also when we multiply, this is x to the power 6 minus x cube y cube. Here also when we multiply, this is minus x cube y cube will come, because x cube y cube minus y cube will come. Okay, so denominator quantities will cancel, and we get final result as dy by dx is equal to x square by y square into under root of 1 minus y to the power 6 by under root of 1 minus x to the power 6. That only we have to prove. X square by y square. Simple, you have to take LCM properly. If you take LCM properly, you'll get a required result. Now let us cross check once again. This is this is nothing but minus 6x to the power 5, 2 under root this one, plus 2 under root of 1 minus y to the power 6, minus 6 to the power 5 dy by dx, a into 3x square minus 3y square dy by dx. Now, dy by dx we are collecting at one place. So in both the cases, it will be negative. So what happens? This will give you y to the power 6 under root of y minus 6. We take to that side. So minus y square a. And this side what we do is, this is actually 3x square will positive. You have done a small error in this is minus and this is plus. This is minus and this is plus. Because you are taking to this side, ax square. So same thing it will come here. When you are taking, this will be minus sign and this will be plus sign. So this will give you minus 6 and this will give you plus, and remaining all correct. This is minus 1 minus plus 6 will cancel, and this will give you minus. Remaining all are correct. dy by dx equal to x square by y square under root of 1 minus y to the power 6 by under root of 1 minus x to the power 6.